Right, before you click off, yes, they are just light bulbs, but bear with me. I'll give you a good reason why you might find this a little bit interesting. First of all, I need to change some of my lights. That's one reason I'm doing this video. Second is they sent them to me. So it didn't cost me no money. And third reason is that these are energy efficient, more so than some of the other ones. When they sent me the email, and I thought, well, it's just light bulbs. No one wants to see a video on light bulbs. And they're all the same energy efficiency nowadays, but they're not. I've actually checked on Amazon. Some are coming up as F energy, some E energy, but these are rated at B. And that is for the UK market and for Europe. They're both coming up as B-rated energy efficient. So you might be thinking, oh, I might need to change my light bulbs, because it will save you quite a bit of money. They claim up to a saving approximately 94%. When I looked into it, it's more like 93%, which is still good. And also, it can give you up to 30,000 hours up to of lifespan. So I say up to because I've never known any of them to last that long, ever. But they might prove me wrong on this little baby. So these are the equivalent, or 4.9 watts is the equivalent to 4000K, and that is your colour. And also, they're supposed to be flicker free, so they should look fine when I point the camera out when we're filming, because I'm going to do a little installation as well. I'm going to be taking out my old ones, because at the moment I have 12 light bulbs in this room. I have 6 at this end that work on a separate switch, and 6 at the other end that work on a separate switch. The ones at the other end are yellow, a sort of yellowy colour rather than white. These are white ones, so they should in theory match up to the ones I've already got up there at the moment. So what I'm going to do in a second is I'm going to turn on my yellowy lights, have a look around, and by the way, there's a bit of a mess over there. There's a lot going on over that side of the room. So just don't look at the floor, all right? Just look at the light, or look into the light. So before we do that, I'm going to give you some bit of information, and then we'll do the unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, how many you get in a box, and then we'll do the installation. So first things first, some of the spec. 4.9 is the equivalent to an 80 watt standard light bulb. So straight away you're reducing it to 4.9 watts rather than 80 watts. So straight away you're saving money just by buying these little babies. They have a 120-degree beam angle, so it should, like I said earlier, give a very good spread of light. So you get 5 light bulbs in a box, and the sizes, in case you need to know, is 50mm across and 59mm deep, yeah, or the length, whatever you want to call it. And that is it, just a light bulb. It's a LED GU10 4.9 watt. So with that, like I said, I know it's just a light bulb, but let's do the installation, see how good they actually look. Right, that is it. What do you think? They definitely look whiter than the other ones, because the other ones were quite sort of yellowy, or what they call is a warm white. But they're not white, they're almost white, if that makes sense. So whether they're going to last to 30,000 hours, I don't know. It's very difficult to tell, as you would imagine. But hopefully they do. They seem to be working fine. I don't have any issue with them whatsoever. They are light bulbs and they just work. And as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you find this video informative or helpful or even enjoyable to watch, let me know by clicking on that thumbs up button, because it does help the algorithms, and consider subscribing. So with that, thank you very much for watching.